Lead time in software development refers to the total time it takes for a new idea, feature, or requirement to move from the moment it is requested to the point when it is delivered and ready for the end user. It includes all stages of the process: requirement gathering, planning, development, testing, approvals, and deployment. This makes lead time an important measure of how quickly a team can deliver value to its customers. Unlike cycle time, which starts when development begins, lead time captures the entire journey from request to release. Long lead times can delay product releases, reduce customer satisfaction, and affect a company's ability to stay competitive. By measuring lead time, teams can identify where delays are happening, whether it's in planning, approvals, or development, and take action to improve those areas. This leads to better transparency, faster delivery, and a more predictable development process. In Agile and DevOps environments, reducing lead time is especially important. Agile practices promote rapid delivery of small, valuable increments, while DevOps emphasizes continuous integration and deployment. Both approaches rely on short lead times to increase feedback loops and adapt quickly to changing user needs. For example, a team using CI/CD pipelines can deploy changes to production within hours or even minutes of writing the code, dramatically reducing lead time and increasing efficiency. Several factors affect lead time, including the complexity of the feature, how well the requirements are defined, the team's workload, and the level of automation in the testing and deployment process. Delays in any of these areas can stretch out lead time. Even non-technical issues like waiting for stakeholder approvals or unclear communication can contribute significantly. Understanding these influences helps teams identify bottlenecks and streamline their workflow to deliver faster. It's also important to distinguish lead time from cycle time. While lead time measures the full journey from idea to delivery, cycle time begins only when the actual work starts, usually when a developer picks up a task, and ends when the task is completed. For example, if a feature request sits in a backlog for 2 weeks before development begins, that time is included in lead time but not in cycle time. Both metrics are useful, but lead time gives a broader view of how long it really takes to deliver value. Measuring lead time is typically done using tools like Jira, Trello, or Azure DevOps. These tools track the date a task is created and the date it is marked as done or deployed. Teams can analyze this data to find average lead times, track progress over time, and spot delays or trends. This visibility helps in making data-driven decisions to improve the development process and manage expectations with stakeholders. To reduce lead time, teams can focus on several key areas: limiting work in progress, automating testing and deployments, improving the clarity of requirements, and ensuring better collaboration among team members. Cross-functional teams that include developers, testers, and product owners working together can also reduce the time lost in handoffs and approvals. The goal is not just to go faster, but to make the entire process more efficient and predictable. For instance, consider a team that takes 6 weeks to deliver a feature, spending 1 week in planning, 2 weeks in backlog, 2 weeks in development and testing, and 1 week waiting for deployment. By introducing better backlog management, continuous deployment, and faster stakeholder feedback, they reduce this to just 2 weeks. This improved lead time means faster feedback, quicker value delivery, and happier users. It's a practical example of how optimizing lead time can directly benefit both teams and customers.